amigos, buenos días. Welcome to our Spanish workshop. Espero que estés muy bien. Sí? Hope all of you are doing well, right? Again, I'm here. I'm your amiga Shoma. And as we know, today we are going to have lots of fun, right? In our Spanish workshop. So, empecemos. Okay, today, what we will do? Today, I've decided something. What we will do? Today, I'm going to teach you how to recite a Spanish poem. Okay? Excited? Let's start. So, today we are going to learn a Spanish poem of Gabriela Mistral. Who is she? She was a very famous teacher and a very famous poet of Republic of Chile in South America. And as we know, more than 32 countries speaking Spanish. Spanish is a second most largely spoken language, right? And like Chile, Costa Rica, Bolivia, Peru, they all speak in Spanish, right? So today we are going to learn a poem of Gabriela Mistral. She's from Chile, and you know one more important thing, she got Nobel Prize for Literature in 1945. So today we are going to learn one of her poem. Ready? Empecemos. So the name of the poem is Dame la mano. Okay? Dame la mano. What is the meaning of that? Dame means give me. La mano means hand. As we know, la mano means hand. So, dame la mano means give me your hand. And the poem, I specially selected this poem for all of you because this poem is about friendship. And as I know, all of you are missing your friends, right? All of you are missing your friends, your school days, your long break, right? So, especially for you, I've selected this poem. Okay, so let's start. First, we are going to learn this poem in Spanish, and to understand what's the meaning actually, I'm going to translate it for you and I will recite that also in English, okay, for your understanding only. But we should recite it in Spanish, okay? Dame la mano in Spanish, and in English it will be give me your hand. Okay, just imagine you're talking with your friends. Okay, you're talking with your friends and you're telling them, give me your hand, we will dance together, we will play together. Okay, like this way. First let me recite Dame la mano in Spanish. Ready? Dame la mano. Dame la mano y danzaremos. Dame la mano y me amarás. Como una sola flor seremos, como una flor y nada más. El mismo verso cantaremos, al mismo paso bailarás. Como una espiga ondularemos, como una espiga y nada más. Te llamas Rosa y yo Esperanza, pero tu nombre olvidarás, porque seremos una danza en la colina y nada más. Most important thing, you have to pronounce it properly. Okay? So, right now, I am going to translate this poem in English. Okay? Dame la mano means give me your hand. Give me your hand and give me your love. Give me your hand and dance with me. A single flower and nothing more. A single flower is all we will be. Keeping time in the dance together, singing the tune together with me. Grass in the wind and nothing more. Grass in the wind is all we will be. I called hope and you called rose, but losing our name, we will both go free. A dance on the hill and nothing more. A dance on the hill is all we will do. Okay? So, one more time for your better understanding. Tamila mano in Spanish. Tamila mano y danzaremos. Danzaremos means let's dance together. Tamila mano y me amarás. Amarás, it's come from amor. Amor means to love. Okay? Como una sola flor seremos. Flor means flower. Como una flor y nada más. Al mismo verso cantaremos. Cantaremos is come from cantar. Cantar means to sing, right? You all know that. Al mismo paso bailarás. Bailarás coming from bailar. Bailar means to dance. Okay? Como una espiga ondularemos. Como una espiga y nada más. Nada más means nothing more. Te llamas Rosa. Te llamas Rosa. It's similar to me llamo. Okay? Te llamas means you called yourself. Okay? Or your name is Rosa. And as we know, Rosa is also color pink and rose also. Okay? Here it's naming word. Y yo esperanza. Esperanza means hope. Okay? And here it's a naming word. Pero tu nombre olvidarás. But we used to forget our name because, porque means because, porque seremos una danza en la colina. Colina means hill. Because when we used to play with our friend, we used to forget everything, our name also, because we assume that we are playing, we are dancing on the top of the hill and nothing much. Y nada más. Okay? I hope all of you will practice it properly and you all will recite this poem. I hope you all enjoy this poem and you will recite properly. Okay? Take care, keep smiling. Adios. Hasta la vista.